Barangay Quezon, Barangay Rizal, Barangay Sabang, Barangay San Isidro, Barangay San Jose, Barangay San Juan, Barangay San Pedro, Barangay San Roque, Barangay Serna, Barangay Sintangan, Barangay Silo, Barangay Sumbay, Barangay Sumayna, Barangay La.
Ano yan?
Battalion Commander, Philippine National Police, Police Major Arnold Ryan Schroeder.
Dahil kalaban sa COD dong.
Battalion Staff, S1, Philippine National Police, Lieutenant Ronella B. S2, Bureau of Fire Protection, St. Peter Vincent Testa. S3, Bureau of Jail Management and Technology, Jail Senior Inspector Anton and Rubio. S4, Philippine Coast Guard, Coast Guard and San Maya Ramiro Lapina. S5, Philippine Army.
Gana nila lang taon, no? Magawag lagi ni sila.
PNP Platoon Leader, Police Executive Master
Dari mga 18.
Rolando C. Fernandez Jr.
Mga military.
Head of Office.
Ay, mga army, no?
Attorney Mariano C. Lubay, Provincial Director, Sinaloa Norte Police Provincial Office, Police Colonel Bolivar M. Paulo,
Ay, mga retired naman siguro naman.
Senior Fire,
Na may mga tipuyang lagi.
Brian William Morton, Head of Office, para Senior Inspector Eduardo Quinto Jr. Regional Director,
Oo.
Lobo Oscar Lina,
Mga kadit naman na.
PJNP Platoon Leader, GL Senior Inspector Yenson S. Julio,
Para na sila.
Coast Guard Platoon Leader, Coast Guard
yan, naglinya.
Noy Christopher R.
Nagkapoy.
Head of Office,
Kadulong ko dito sa firma mo. Nakapoy ko.
Regional Director, Coast Guard Captain Christopher D. Alva, Army Platoon Leader, Sergeant Michael Oran, Head of Office, First Lieutenant Benjamin Elizar de Dios, Battalion Commander, Lieutenant Colonel Albert N. Batista.
Navy Reserve Platoon Leader, Lieutenant Junior Grade Donald P. Anderson. Squadron Commander, Air Force Reserve Platoon Leader, Airman Armin C. Alonso, Philippine Air Force Reserve.
Apuleto, nag-board yan ah.
With the head of the Preventing Battalion. The activity
Tanaway lang leader sa ball.
Wala, wala na yun yung mga...
Jasmine, uli yan ay John Jas.
Nag-load dyan.
Uli yan ay John Jas.
Nag-move up na, nag-load dyan.
Uy, kalit ram lamang way to